Today is Thursday, the 7th of October, 2021. Protocol the docket. First one, a motion to revoke probation, case number 583940. State versus Patricia Amaya, attorney. Bob Hicks.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
Good morning, Ms. Amaya. Have you
Good
heard?
morning, Judge. I don't see them on here yet.
That's why I'm asking. I don't either. I'll mark him no response. 601919. State versus Cassie Cole. Attorney James Dwiggins.
Yes.
James Dwiggins. I guess he liked the day also. And Cassie is absent. 602066, or rather 06, yes, 66. State versus Joseph Trevino, attorney. Eduardo Jimenez. Strike three. 3 for 3 on the attorneys. 604319, State versus Michelle Corona, attorney.
Yes, I'm here, Suzanne.
Kramer.
I just texted her to ask her, she's got the invite, and I texted her to see if she was on. So I guess we'll have to wait for her, but I'm here for her.
I'm marking her absent at this time. Make sure we are made aware when she arrives.
I will, Judge.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you,
You're the first out of 4 attorneys to show up, Suzanne.
Judge.
606016. All right. 606016. State versus Ruben Medina, attorney David Garcia.
Aquí estoy.
Your Honor, he's on vacation.
Sorry?
He's on vacation. It's reset to October 20th.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Medina, you're excused. Your attorney's on vacation. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you showing up.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. 606132, State versus Tyler Stevenson, attorney David Volk. David Volk. No response. Tyler Stevenson, absent. 60.
Judge,
Yes.
Your Honor, he's there. He's muted.
I'm here.
Who's here?
Tyler Stevenson.
Good morning, Mr. Stevenson.
Morning, Your Honor.
I didn't hear you respond. Okay, I'm glad you're here. All right. We'll have to wait and see if your attorney shows up, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have we had any contact from him, Patty?
No, sir.
All right. 609577, State versus Javier
Sarasi. This is Regina Scrivener Tibbs. I'm here for Mr. Sarasi. I did hear from him earlier today. I know he is trying to get on. I don't see him though.
All right. Make sure you bring it to our attention when he does, because
He's here.
all right. Ms. Scrivener Tibbs, what is your wishes for this morning?
Judge, I actually was in the hospital, and then just recently we got a bonding attorney to walk him through. He has another matter in district court. So I was wondering if we could have a couple of weeks to resolve that issue.
Why don't we give you 21 days?
21 days. Great. Thank you, Judge.
You're reset 21 days. Mr. How do you pronounce his name?
Sarasi.
Sarasi.
Mhm.
Mr. Sarasi, you're excused. Thank you for showing up.
Okay, thank you. So,
Be aware that there is a warrant for you right now, and Ms. Scribner
Yes.
Tibbs will be making an effort to get that straightened out.
okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor,
Ma'am,
the defendant, Mr. Ruben Aleman Medina, is a Spanish speaker.
all right,
He just asked on chat when his new court date was. October 20th. That was David Garcia's client.
Ruben Medina,
Sí.
su caso se ha posponido hasta el 20 de octubre.
20 de octubre. Ok, gracias.
Márquelo.
Ok.
6-2-0-7-0-8. State versus Danielle Hernandez, attorney Lisa Voigt. Danielle Hernandez is listed as a fugitive with a warrant. Lisa Voigt is listed as an attorney that did not answer. Two cases, 621-391, 621-392, State versus David Hernandez, attorney William Brooks.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I am here with Mr. Hernandez. Judge, if I could confer.
You are number one to confer.
Thank you,
Good
Judge.
morning, Ms. Pollard. Ms. Haas.
Good morning, Judge. It's just me. Ms. Pollard is having some issues with internet. I think it's kind of widespread in our office.
Okay, Ms. Haas, would you be kind enough to confer with Mr. Brooks?
Yes, Your Honor.
622-458, State versus Coral Yanis, attorney Linda Corley.
Good morning, Judge. This is Kim Bez. I'm here for Ms. Corley.
Who is it?
Judge, and it's my understanding that Ms. Yanez is supposed to be in person, so she should be there in your courtroom.
Ms. Castillo. Good morning, Ms. Castillo. Do we have a guest there?
He's here in the courtroom.
Very good.
Sorry.
Ms. Baez, what do you wish to do this morning?
Judge, I'd like to confer.
And so you shall. You heard what Ms. Haas said. She's by herself this morning.
Hello,
Yes,
Your
Judge.
Honor.
Thank you.
Good morning.
This is Pedro with James Dwiggins. I just want to make sure, did you call me up already?
I think I did, Mr. Gonzalez. We'll recall you at the end of the docket.
Thank you.
I have the same question, Your Honor. My name is Kristen Amber Rodriguez.
I will call the docket and then we will see who has to talk to me. All right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. 622-951, State versus Don Nelson. Excuse me.
Good morning, Judge.
Paul
Goki representing Donnelly Nelson, and we would like to reset this because he has a felony pending.
How far along is the felony? Do you know, Paul?
We will have it, our next setting is in December. So I think it'll be resolved by then.
I'll give you 60 days to see how far you get.
Okay, that should work out fine, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good to see you, Paul.
Good to see you, sir. May I be excused?
You and your client are both excused.
Thank you very much.
Ms. Garcia?
Did you say 30-day reset for Mr. Goki?
No, it's at 60.
Yes,
He's got a
sir.
felony pending.
Yes, sir. And Your Honor, on page 1, Suzanne Kramer's client, Michelle Corona, She's been
Yes.
having computer issues and she's logged on. I believe she's logged on now.
Okay,
Oh, if she's logged on, Judge, she keeps getting kicked off. If we could get a reset, this case was a PTD and she got accepted, but she never, and this was during COVID, she never went down to sign the contract. And I did lose during that time contact with her. I now have good contact with her again. So we just want to reapply for PTD.
how much time do you need, Suzanne?
Oh, I don't think more than 30 days, if even that much. I just worry about my schedule in the next 2 weeks because I'm in trial a lot.
Why don't we set it for 21 days?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Okay, may I be excused? And Michelle too? She's here. I
Of
don't see
course,
her,
you're
but
both excused. Thank you.
okay. Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Patty.
You're
Stay
welcome.
safe. 627-324, State versus Chastity Hernandez.
Your Honor,
Kenneth Bell.
Your Honor, there are two cases on this one. She is present as well. May we confer?
Hi.
You're aware that there's also a felony here?
I am, Your Honor.
All right,
Misdemeanors are the only holdup. We've already worked out a plea agreement on the phone.
you'll be listed for conferring. Is your client here?
Yes.
Yes, I'm here.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate you
you.
both being here on time. Set for a plea, 627-591, State versus Kim Cruz, attorney, Jose Rocha.
I'm
Good
here.
morning, Your Honor. My client is here and I'm here as well. I've been speaking to Ms. Pollard. In fact, I had a meeting with her tomorrow to discuss a little bit further some of the issues with discovery. I know that she's not here today. I don't know if this is something that we could reset shortly.
It's not, Your Honor, it's not that she's not here. The system is down on the 5th floor. So
Right,
she
right.
has internet issues.
I do have something set up with
Forgive
her.
divine, but to really screw up, we need computers, right?
Yes, Your Honor. No, I'm not. I apologize if I misspoke. I know that she's here. She's just, her computer is not working. But I do have a meeting with her scheduled for tomorrow. If you want to reset for a week, I would be able to give you something. Given that we already set something out.
Patricia, recall this 1 week. Mr. Rocha.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Cruz, y'all are excused for today.
Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
1 week.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day. Thank you, Patty.
You too.
You're welcome.
630-018, State versus Isaiah Brown, attorney, Joe Stenberg.
Your Honor, I got a list. I got an email with a list of the courts that Mr. Stenberg has to be at today. It's like 8 courts, but he's in federal person, in federal court in person first.
Well, yep, federal court comes first, that's for darn sure. So we're gonna reset him how long?
I guess 2 weeks. I'm not sure if his client appeared.
Well, you might have told him not to under the circumstances. Isaiah Brown. Reset 2 weeks, Patty.
Yes, sir.
If he doesn't show up in 2 weeks, then he'll be in a world of hurt.
Programs, the least is worse.
632-901, State versus Michael Yancier. Jeffrey Martinez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Yancey is present. We would like to see if we can get in line to confirm.
Absolutely, number 4.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you both for being here. 635-417, State versus Cynthia Franklin, attorney, Sylvia Gonzalez.
Your Honor, those cases got reset to November 16th. That attorney is no longer in that firm. So there's new attorneys that are going to be substituting out of that firm.
Which firm are
George,
we talking? Which
George-
firm are we talking about?
George Reese.
Okey dokey. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Page 3. 635810 State versus Ramiro Santos. Attorney Joseph Acevedo.
Present, Your Honor. Your Honor, may we have a pre-trial setting on Mr. Santos? He's here in my office, and I believe he's on the Zoom. If not, I'll take my phone over to.
When you say
Let me see him.
pre-trial setting, what are you talking about? This is a pre-trial setting.
May I have one more pre-trial setting to make a final decision on how we're going to dispose of it, subject to court approval?
All right. We'll reset it. How about 21 days?
That's fine, Your Honor.
That gives you 3 weeks to do what you gotta do.
Okay. What date is that, Your Honor?
Patricia?
That's okay. I'll
October
look for it
28th.
on the.
October 28th.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, sir. You're both excused. Thank you for both being here.
Yes, sir.
639, stay safe. 639-202. State versus Edmund Ortiz. Attorney Ivan Barrera, pardon me.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present, and I do see my client. Edmund, can you unmute yourself for the judge?
I don't hear him.
Edmund, can you hear?
Do you see him?
He's
There he is.
waving, Judge. Yeah, he's
I
wearing
got you.
a blue shirt.
I got you. Thank you. I don't hear him, but I do see him. All right. Mr. Barrera, what are we doing this morning?
Judge, can we be placed in line to confer?
You're number 5 for conferring, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 641222, State versus Christian Tellez. Attorney Silvia Gonzalez. That's another one on, what are we gonna do on that one, Patty?
It's getting reset to November 16th.
Okay. Reset. 642015, State versus Zachary Yates. Attorney Jessica Gonzalez.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. How about you, Jessica?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. Can I please be put on the list to confer with the attorneys?
Absolutely. Have we got your client here?
That's part of the problem, which is what the prosecutors and I have been discussing.
Okay. Then we'll, for right now, your client is marked absent. We'll see if that resolves or not. We'll take care of it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Stay safe. 645012, State versus Frank Fonseca. An attorney is James Milam. James Milam, attorney. No response at this time. Frank Fonseca, absent. 647898, State versus Kevin Trejo. Attorney James Hunt.
I am present for him, Your Honor. I would like to confer also.
You're number 7.
Thank you.
Mr. Hunt, is your client here?
He is, both clients.
All right. 651552, State versus McCall Sanders.
Judge, this is David Christian. I'm here. He's present also. Judge, we've conferred on this one already, and I'm trying to get some information to the prosecutor. I'm also in person on a hearing right now, and I would like a reset if possible. And I can always follow up with the prosecutor, sir.
How much time do you need on the reset?
If I could get a 30-day reset, Your Honor, that would be helpful.
I will give you 30 days reset. You're excused. 653363.
Thank you.
State versus Olga Fuentes. Attorney Marshall White.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
Ms. Fuentes is on the call, Judge.
Ms. Fuentes, where are you?
She's muted.
Do you see her, Patty?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Marshall,
Judge,
what are you doing this morning?
Judge, could you put me on the list to confer?
Yes, sir. You're number 8.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good to see you. 653-538, State versus looks like Azaria Peña. An attorney is Jay Norton.
Judge, he's on vacation. That case got reset for a plea November 4th.
Reset. Very good. Page 4. Two cases against Christian Rodriguez.
That's
655 655-237, 655-238. Attorney is James Oltersdorf.
Yes, Your Honor. I would like new counsel. He's not responding to any of my texts. I don't even know if he's here, but he doesn't care.
Well,
or I want to handle this myself if I can, because I didn't do anything. And
ma'am, wait. We don't discuss between you and I any of the facts or what you think is the situation. That you do with your attorney and the district attorney. So at this time, Mr. Oltersdorf is marked not responding. You'll have to wait, and I believe he'll be appearing, but he normally does, although apparently he's not here at this moment. We will follow up. So just stick around and wait, okay?
Yes, sir.
Two cases on Mark Lopez, 656-849 and 656.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
848. Okay, Mr. Lopez, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Your papers show that you're on pretrial diversion. Your attorney is Rosendo Parra III.
Good morning, Judge Longoria. We actually didn't qualify for PTDs. We have a plea set up. I just need the plea packet to be sent to my client and for us to be set out in the breakout room so we could go over it.
Very good. Patricia, make it so.
Your Honor, I'm gonna need for Mr. Parra to send me on chat your client's email address.
Will do. It's on its way.
And let me know which ones you're gonna plead to, because is it gonna be all of them?
I'll give you the I'll give you the details on the chat.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
658-402, State versus Victor Arredondo. Attorney Edward Brabenek.
He's here in the courtroom, Judge. He's here in the courtroom.
All right. Edward Brabenek.
Judge, Mr. Brabenek is out on paternity leave.
And who is here on his behalf, or at least speaking for him?
I'm not here on his behalf, Judge.
Okay, well, hurry up, yes. Hurry up, you're late.
I am speaking with an attorney. Somebody is interfering. Mr. Martinez, you were talking to me.
Judge, I'm not here on his behalf, Judge, but I do office with him. I can tell you he's out on paternity leave.
Okay. We'll come back to him and we'll talk to Mr. Arredondo. Thank you, Mr. Martinez.
You're welcome, Judge.
662-480, State versus Joe Cano. No attorney at this time. Joe Cano?
Yes, Your Honor. Judge, this is Luis Martinez. I should be on that case.
Luis?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Martinez, is your client here? I thought I heard him respond.
Yes, Judge, he's on.
All right, and it shows a felony pending. What are we doing?
Judge, that case is still pre-indictment. We don't have a court date on it. So if I could get, I don't know, 60 days on it.
Reset 60, felony pending. It shall be so. You have anything else, Luis?
That's it, Judge.
You and your client are excused. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
662-922, State versus Derek Williams.
I'm right here, Judge.
Attorney John Charles Bunk.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
I'm here, Judge. I'm here.
Both of you are here. Very
I'm here,
good.
Judge.
What do we got?
He has a felony pending, so I'd like to see if I can get this case reset.
Do you have any idea how far along the felony is?
It is not very far along. The offense just happened in June. He's not indicted. He's still not indicted. So,
Well, okay, we'll give you 60 days. See
Thank
what
you,
happens
Judge.
between now and then.
may we be excused?
Yes, you may. Thank you for being here on time. Take care. Stay safe.
Yes, sir. Derek, you can log off.
663-510, 663-511. State versus Mark Lopez. This is a continuation of Mr. Parra's case.
Yes, sir. Judge Longoria just sent Patty an email with all the information. She should be getting that soon.
Okay. We'll wait and see what's happening there.
Thank you, Judge.
664-360. State versus Pedro Gonzalez. James Dwiggins.
Yes, sir. I'm here and Mr. Gonzalez is present also. I'd like to confer on that case, Your Honor.
Yes, I'm here.
You are on the list.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 665-41, pardon me, 665-435, State versus Ernestina Almanza. Attorney Elizabeth Settle.
Yes, Judge, that's Francisco Almanza.
I'm present, Your Honor.
He's present. Hang up your phone, Mr. Almanza, okay?
Francisco.
Okay,
I'm here.
Judge, I need to confer on that, please.
It shall be so. Thank you.
Thank you.
665-533. Pardon me. 665-535. State versus Joshua Hemphill.
I'm here, Your Honor.
And the attorney is Rebecca.
I'm present, Judge. Rebecca Brett.
How do you spell your last name?
B-R-E-D-T.
Okay. Good morning.
The D
to
is
you.
silent.
I couldn't
Good
see it
morning.
on this thing. You and your
So-
client are both here. What are your wishes this morning?
Your Honor, I conferred with Ms. Pollard over email this week. The state has agreed to reduce Mr. Hemphill's charge, and hopefully then we can get it transferred over to County Court 12 with the rest of his pending charges.
Sure.
Have you filed the appropriate requests?
Your Honor, I have not. I thought the state would just be able to reduce it and then we could transfer it over.
All right, Patricia, what are we gonna do on that?
Well, I can't transfer it until the state reduces it
All right,
because
just recall
and
it in
Judge-
2 weeks. Recall in 2 weeks to see what we're gonna do.
Judge, it shows that he's it's set in 12 today too.
All right.
Your Honor,
Recall
there's no hearing in 12 today, so he won't have to appear there.
Recall it in 2 weeks, please. 666-6268, rather. State versus Michelle Ramos. Attorney Cornelius Cox. Attorney Cox, no response. Michelle Ramos, absent. 666-818. State versus Devaney or Devaney.
Judge, I'm here. Devaney Blancarte.
Yes.
Yes,
you.
good morning, Your Honor. Andres
Yeah.
Campion, present for Ms. Blancarte.
Good morning to you both. What are you doing this morning, Mr. Campion?
I would like to confer if that's possible, Your Honor.
Of course it is. You're about number 11 at this point. We'll get to you. We're kind of limited a little bit. 666-861. State versus Paul Vasquez, attorney. Joseph Stateson.
I'm here, Your Honor.
My client's present on Zoom. I'm present in your courtroom. On this case, there's two cases. On the DWI, I've received toxicology. I was going to confer with the state for an offer, but I'm in the 437th for plea paperwork. If I could be allowed to confer off docket by email, so I can go to the 437th to do an in-person plea.
All right. You're excused. Patricia?
Yes, Judge.
How much time did he request?
60?
Mr. Stateson, how much time do you need?
Just a regular reset, 30 days is fine, Your Honor.
I'll give you 21 days.
Yes, Judge. May Mr. Vasquez and I be excused?
You are excused.
Thank you, sir.
666-947. State versus Catherine Vinton, attorney. Michael Sanchez.
I'm here.
Good morning, man.
Your Honor, present with counsel. We would like to confer with the state this morning, Your Honor.
And so you shall. You're on the list.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good seeing you.
Same here. Take care. Stay safe. Six, 102, state versus Elva Juarez, attorney. Renee Munoz.
Yes, Judge, present. Good morning.
Good morning. Is your client here?
Is not present, Judge. This was recalled from last week. You did afford us a week to get into contact with her. However, to no avail, I still have had no contact with her, Judge, unfortunately.
All right, then we'll issue a failure to appear warrant.
I understand, Judge.
Munoz?
If I may, Judge, approach off docket matters after you call the docket. I have two clients of mine that had court scheduled earlier in the week, but they were not able to make it. So I had them come in person to address their issues before a warrant would issue.
I'm having trouble hearing you, sir.
Yes, Judge. I have a couple clients here that had court earlier in the week. They didn't make it on Zoom, so you allowed them 5 days to come in. So I have them here in person, Judge, if I could address these off docket.
All right, we'll do that.
Thank you, Judge. I'll wait till the docket.
669-009, 669-010, State versus Peter Cruz, attorney. Andrew Freilich. Andrew Freilich. And Peter Cruz. Absent. 669-062 and 063. State versus Biden Morales. Attorney William
I'm here, Your Honor.
Davidson.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Pardon me?
I don't know if you can hear me.
I hear you.
I'm out in the hall in your courtroom, Your Honor, and my client is in the waiting room, or at least they were.
Yeah,
I just wanted to confer with the DA.
I'm here. All right. You shall confer. Add-ons. 581046 and 652684, State versus Jesse Alejandro Lerma. Attorney.
I'm
James
present, Your
Hunt.
Honor. I'm present, Your Honor.
Let's schedule
Morning.
for 10 a.m. Mr. Lerma?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right, well, you're a little bit early, but I called it anyway. James Hunt is not in yet.
No, he's here, Judge. He's conferring. I put him in a breakout room.
Okay, on this case or some other?
The
The
some
previous
other one.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Lerma, stick around. We'll see where we're going. This is going to be a plea, I believe.
Yes, sir.
All right. That concludes our,
Judge,
yes,
you had some add-ons from earlier in the week. It's 1, 2, 3 defendants with do you want the case numbers and names?
it would help, wouldn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm listening.
This is Demi Lauren Baird.
What's the first name?
Demi.
Spell it
D-E-
with
D like in David, E like in Edward, M like in Mary, I.
Demi.
Yes, sir.
I'm here.
Demi, give me the full name.
Demi Lauren Baird.
Demi Lauren, last name is what?
Baird, B-A-I-R-D.
All right. Who's the attorney?
Oscar Hernandez, Judge, we're ready. I mean, we're not ready, but we're here and we're just get some paperwork to clear out.
And what's the case number?
Got 3 of them, but we're going to plea only to 669405, the resisting.
The other
06
two are going to be TIC'd?
06 and 07 will be TIC. Yes, sir.
Okay, get her done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What else you got, Patty?
The other case, Your Honor, is Patricia Mariah Aleman. You had recalled
Patricia?
it. Mariah Aleman.
Case number. Case number.
663883.
Attorney?
Kyle Ernst.
Okay. Any more?
Yes, sir. Joshua Galindo Cervantes.
Hold up. Is that with a Y or a J?
A Y.
Joshua Galindo Cervantes.
593-712 and 593-714. Attorneys Robert Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present on behalf of Mr. Galindo.
Thank you. Anything else, Patty?
That's all, Your Honor.
Your
All
Honor,
right. Yes.
this is Bob Hicks. I apologize for arriving late. Judge Shellen sends greetings. 619328. Patricia Amaya.
He's got 2, Your Honor. It's on page 1, the first one.
Right. Robert Dittman is also here on those matters.
Already. And what are your wishes this morning?
I think we wish to
Honors.
confer.
Beg pardon?
We're going to need to confer, Judge.
It'll be a slow process this morning. One of our prosecutor's got a down computer.
Your Honor.
Clerk approach, Judge.
Hold on, just a second. Who seeks to approach?
Cornelius Cox, Judge.
Hello?
Yes, Cornelius Cox, Judge. Oh, let me see, I'm here. Yeah,
Oh,
Honor
it's the guy,
Michelle.
the guy up at the Supreme Court.
Yes, Judge. We had a bomb threat yesterday, so I'm back in business. Michelle Ramos, 666628.
Six, 66628.
That's correct, Judge. It's a first setting, and I would like to confirm with the state.
I have not heard from your client.
Okay. All right, Judge. If I'll see if she's available. I'll try to contact her, but if I can't, would the court allow me some time to try to
If you can't
a short
produce
reset
her,
to find?
if you don't produce her, I'll give you a week to present her. Otherwise, there'll be a warrant.
Okay.
And you want
All
to
right,
confer?
Judge. I'll confer, but if you can give me a week, Judge, and I'll just come back in a week and confer, since the line is long this morning.
Okay, recall 1 week.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Judge,
Hello.
Judge, I'm back on Coral Yanes. I've already conferred with the ADA.
Hold on just a moment. It sounds like Kim Baez. Is that who it is?
Yes, it is, Judge.
Give me the case number.
It's 657-844 and 622-458, and this should be on your first page, Judge.
It's on page 2.
Sorry, page 2.
Page 2, Your Honor.
All right. That is Yanis.
Yes, Judge. Ms. Haas has requested a video, which we haven't received. She said she requested it on October the 1st. She still hasn't been able to confirm whether it's been uploaded or not, just because her system is down. So they're requesting a discovery reset to make sure that we're able to obtain that video.
The state is requesting it?
Yes, Judge.
Discovery reset. 30 days.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused along with Ms. Yanes?
Yes, you may. Thank you for being here on time.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Judge, this is Kenneth Bell.
Ms. Garcia.
Attorney Will Brooks is also back. He was the first one conferring. It's also on page 2.
Hold on just a second. Will Brooks, talk to me.
Hi, Judge. On Mr. David Hernandez, 621-391 and
I got the
92.
number. I'm right on it. Okay.
I've conferred with Ms. Haas, and we're jointly asking for a short reset. She needs to try and make complainant contact, and we hope to be able to resolve these.
2 weeks due?
Works for me, Judge.
Patricia, make it so. This has
October
the
21st.
this has the appearance of what might be a dismissal. Mr.
Thank
Brooks,
you, Judge.
you and your client are excused. Did your
Thank you,
client
Your
ever show up?
He was here, Judge.
All right. We had a report from Kim Baez.
Judge Kenneth Bell, I'm back from conferring as well.
Kenneth Bell.
Midway down on page 2, 627-324.
I got you.
Right. We need a short reset to allow the state to finish reviewing the file and make sure we got all the discovery on it.
How much time are we talking about when you say short recess?
30 days, Your Honor.
That's not a short recess.
I'd say 2 weeks, but I'm out the second week, so it's gonna put
How
us,
about 3 weeks?
3 weeks really puts us into November. That'd be fine.
Reset, 3 weeks. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Bell. Have a good day. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir. Chastity, you can sign off now.
Jeffrey Martinez, has he confirmed?
I am,
yet?
Your Honor. I have, Your Honor.
Oh, you have a report?
I do, Your Honor. We're going to reset to take a plea. They're having some fifth floor issues with internet and paperwork, so I'm in agreement to come back another day and knock out the plea.
And how much time are we looking at?
I'm kind of in the same boat. I wouldn't mind for 2 weeks, just because next week I'm going to be out on vacation.
Wonderful. There are a lot of people taking vacation this month so far. Reset
Quick
2
little
weeks.
That'd be
Or
wonderful.
plea.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good vacation.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Any other attorneys need to report?
Yes, Judge. Ivan Barrera here.
Ivan Barrera. Talk to me, Ivan. What you got?
Yes, Judge. It's cause number 639.
I got it. I'm on it already.
Okay.
Go through.
Judge, states tendered an offer. I just need 1 week, Judge, to relay the offer to my client and determine whether he wants to accept the plea or go to trial.
Very good. Recall 1 week.
And that's it for me, Judge. May me and my client be excused.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
guys
Judge.
Stay safe. Thank you for being here on time as always.
Of course, Judge.
And how about
Thank you, Judge.
Jessica Gonzalez? You back, Jessica? She conferring right now, Patty?
She's conferring, Judge.
Okay. So we got 5 of them out of the way. It's moving pretty quickly, thank goodness. All right, let's go back. Attorneys, who needs to report?
Judge, can I approach? This is David Volk.
David Volk.
Your Honor, I apologize for being late. I had this setting calendared for next week. And so I realized it when I was looking at some other things that it was set today.
Which case number?
I've got Tyler Stevenson, and the case number is 606 132.
I got it. What you gonna do today?
Your Honor, this is a under the limit zero alcohol DWI. It's very old. The state, I've talked to 3 or 4 prosecutors that have all told me that they're going to research the element of intoxication. And I haven't really gotten a response, including from the leadership on this one. So if we could get a trial date in person so that we can kind of force the issue, I think ultimately they're not going to be able to prove the element of intoxication.
Can we, why don't we do a quickie motion to suppress?
Okay.
I would suggest that to you. It's your choice. You're the lawyer.
So yeah, I mean, thank you. Absolutely, Judge. A motion to suppress blood test and motion to strike their expert if they have one. That sounds great.
Bring it in right away.
Okay. So I do have a motion to suppress blood tests. I'm pretty certain of it filed.
File it right away, David, and I'll give you a hearing very quickly.
Okay. I will get the appropriate motions filed by the end of today and then await for the court's direction on what it's.
You and your client are excused. Stay safe.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Your Honor.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes, who is it?
This is Renee Munoz, Judge. I'm in your,
Pardon me?
this is Renee Munoz. I am in your courtroom. Your
Renee,
Honor.
yes. Okay, I see you in the court. What you got, Renee?
Yes, Judge. So I have my client Dolores Salinas here. Dolores, if you could come forward. She had court this past Tuesday, Judge. I have her cause number 668835. And she did miss court. She was having issues logging on to Zoom. I did notify her that she needs to have better contact with me before so I can help her resolve these issues or notify the court if she's going to be late or not able to make it. So we're on the same page now, Your Honor. She has a DWI that is not ready. It's pending blood results. But I wanted to see if we can get a new court date since you did allow us the 5 days for me to bring her in. And she is present.
Very good. Patricia, make note that Ms. Dolores
What was that
Salinas,
case number?
668835. I appreciate that you have appropriately instructed your client.
Okay, Your Honor, and you wanted to make a note for what?
What is it you wanted to do, Renee?
Yes, Judge. Her blood results are still pending in the lab. This is a case from September, so I wanted to see if we can get a 60-day, as the blood results are taking around 2 to 3 months to come in.
All right, so if there's a bloody issue, we will give you a 60-day reset.
Thank you, Judge.
And the primary thing at this point, Patricia, take note that Ms. Dolores Salinas, who was due yesterday, has in fact been brought in by her attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it and the court working for us and being patient with us.
We appreciate your, the fact that you acted diligently, and that's what we need. Thank you.
Yes, Judge.
You and Ms. Salinas are excused on this case. I think you have another, don't you?
Yes, Judge. I do have Mercedes. You're good to go, Dolores. Okay, I'll text you. Miss Mercedes Pacheco is in the hallway, Judge. She has an infant child with her.
Case number?
It is 658645. And it's a similar situation where she missed court on Zoom, so I instructed her to be present. This case is moving along a little bit better, Judge. We do have an offer, and my client does want to accept it. So I just spoke over her right now, confirmed that she wants to accept. If we could get a plea date for 2 weeks.
Let's back up a second. She's not on today's docket.
No, she's not on today's docket, Judge. Her case was on Monday.
Okay, 658645, you said?
Yes, Judge. And I know that Patty did schedule her for Monday, October 11th, but I'm going to be out of town that date, Judge. So I just want
to hold on. Give me the name of your client.
Yes, Judge. Mercedes Pacheco.
Mercedes Pacheco. Okay. Patricia, take note that she has now been brought in also. You said it was to be recalled Monday. We're going to have to recall it another day. You're going to be unavailable. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge. If we could be set for a plea date, we'd like to plead before the court.
You're breaking up with that microphone, whatever. Okay.
We'd like to be set for a plea date, Your Honor.
Okay, set for plea. How much time do you need, more or less?
If you could get roughly about 2 weeks, Judge, just to cover some bases and get all the paperwork situated.
Very good. Patricia, let's change this to appear in 2 weeks from today.
It's 10/21.
That sounds perfect.
Renee, can I have that case number again?
Of course, Patty. 658645.
Got it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else, Renee?
Nothing further for today, Judge. I truly appreciate it, and I'll be seeing you soon. Maybe excuse.
Take care. Thank you for bringing them in.
Sure.
I see Jessica Gonzalez.
Yes, Your Honor.
What you got me, huh?
Yes, Your Honor. On Zachary Yates, he is going to be $642,015.
I'm sorry, I've got it already. Yes.
Okay, so he is not present. However, I spoke to the prosecutor. The situation with Mr. Yates is he's a very young individual with mental health issues, and he lives with guardians that somewhat help him, but the throughout the year, the representation with him, he's been in and out of mental health hospitals. So when we did receive the reset, I did send it to one of the last email addresses I had for him, but I have not had any contact with him in several months. He usually will, once he gets stabilized, once he remembers, he will reach out and contact me just to get an update, but it's very scattered throughout the representation. I've been talking with the prosecutors. At the last setting, I spoke with Caitlin back in September. I gave her all of the information that I have as far as his guardians and who's working and helping him. And she was to look to see about dismissing the charges against him, but she needed to make all of the phone calls. And unfortunately, she was transferred out before she was able to complete those tasks. So I just explained all of it again to Ashley. She's going to pick up the ball and continue making those calls because they don't think if all of this stuff is confirmed and true, he's not going to be appropriate even for PTD on this particular case. So I would ask that the court excuse his absence again until we come back at the next setting. I'll continue to try to get a hold of him. But like I said, Ashley's going to look at actually just dismissing the charges against him because of his mental health issues.
Okay. Having heard all of that, how much time do you need, Ms. Gonzalez?
Ashley said she wanted just a short reset, but she didn't define it in a length of days. She just said short reset.
Well, for them, a short reset is 30 days, so I'll go with 30.
Okay, Your Honor. May I be excused now?
Yes, you may. It's good to see you. Stay safe, please.
You too, sir. You guys take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, so we have James Hunt available. Beg your pardon, Mr. Hunt? Can you repeat that? All right. I think, Mr. Parra, you wanted to say something. It appeared like you were starting to say something.
Yes, sir. So I sent Patty an email with all the information. So while we're waiting for that, may I be placed in a breakout room with my client, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Mr. Para,
Yes, ma'am.
who's your client?
Mark Lopez.
Okay.
Any other attorney need to check in with me? Nobody. All right. I'm feeling lonely now.
I'm here, Your Honor.
I'm here, Your Honor. Who says that they're here?
Mark Lopez.
Mark Lopez. What, do you know your case number, Mr. Lopez?
Judge Longoria, this is Rosendo Parra again. That is my client. That's where I requested to be in
Judge,
the
he
breakout room.
asked me to put him in a breakout room.
Right.
I was asking where he was so I could put him in a breakout room.
Okay, you got it set, Patricia? All right, we're gonna take not even a 5-minute break.
Wait, Your Honor, I didn't hear my name called from the docket.
Miss Cole,
Yes.
I can barely hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry.